Are you looking to elevate your bathroom experience? Let's dive into some master bedroom design ideas that you will want to steal from your home. First up, consider a freestanding bathtub. It creates a spa-like atmosphere and serves as a stunning focal point. Pair it with elegant fixtures and that touch of luxury. Next, think about incorporating a double vanity. Not only does it provide ample space for two, but it also enhances organization. Choose stylish mirrors to complete the look and add depth to the design. Don't forget about lighting. Layered lighting, including sconces and pendant lights, can transform your bedroom. Opt for warm tones to create a cozy ambience. For a modern touch, bring in natural materials. Wood accents or stone tiles can add warmth and texture, making your bathroom feel inviting and serene. And finally, consider smart storage solutions. Built-in shelves and cabinetry can make your essentials organized while maintaining a clean aesthetics. Another great hack is to use mirrors strategically. A large mirror can create the illusion of depth and brightness. Position it across from a window to reflect natural light, making the room feel airy and inviting. Thanks for watching our ultimate bathroom makeover. If you found these small space design hacks helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Thank you.